Hi guys, Chuck Quinton here, founder of RotarySwing.com. Since Rotary Swing was founded, its whole pursuit has been helping golfers improve as fast as humanly possible and building the most powerful, efficient, and safest way to swing the golf club. And in doing that, we've given thousands and thousands of lessons and done dozens and dozens of clinics. And we've been able to boil everything down that RST is into 5 core movements that you're going to learn in our Rotary Swing 5-step system. This 5-step system is incredibly unique in that it not only abides by the laws of physics and the definition of what a fundamental actually is, but because of the sequence and order that it's in, it helps you learn faster than anything else out there on the planet. And in order to do that, we've had to continue to test and refine these movements and figure out how to put them together in the most efficient way possible. And through all of that work, that's exactly what this is. You're going to be able to learn these complex compound movements in very simple drills that are going to get you moving exactly like the best players in the world, and even better than many of the best players in the world. These movements are very, very simple to learn, but you need to follow them in the specific order, and you need to work on them and be really focused on what you're doing, because the movements, while they're very simple, they need to be done in a very specific way. So if you follow this system and you work through this, you will see incredible improvements in your movements, because we're working with the laws of physics and working with the laws of how your body is designed to move, and the laws of the swing mechanics, and the laws of what a fundamental is. And so if you watched my video on fundamentals, you remember that there are 4 criteria for something to be a fundamental by Webster's definition. It must be primary, it must be central, it must be origin, and it must be absolute. Well, the origin of movement in the golf swing is not the golf club, nor is it the ball, nor should it be your hands. That stuff's all happening in what we would call the antonyms of what a fundamental is, and that stuff happening in the periphery. And it's dependent on, and it's consequential on how things move in the center. So these movements, these complex compound movements, are actually made very simple when you focus on the inside out and you move from the center out. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to teach you the core compound movements that you must master. So we're going to start with weight shift, and then we're going to add the next movement, and so on and so forth. So let's take a look.